there, this is Bobby J. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Made Easy under Bobby J. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the program. And when you finish, leave the comments under there so that whatever you need, we can put it on for you. Today, we're going to be talking a little bit about algebra. Most kids have some problem with algebra. So we're going to do a few problems. Just bear with me. Here, this is the problem we're going to do today. You have a problem like 2x minus y equals 1. And then the second one will give you like 5x plus y equals 13. When you give it a problem like this, you have two unknowns and you give it an answer. And the second one also gives you two unknowns, but then there's a correlation between the two. We want to solve for this problem. What we need to do is to eliminate one of the unknowns to solve for one of the unknowns. And then we use that answer back into any of the original equation to find the second one. So when you look at this problem, for example, you see that there's minus y here, then plus y here. If we add these equations together, we can eliminate the y. Okay? So let's do just that. This and this cancel out. And then we add this, we got adding up all the problems, okay? So this will give you 7x. This one's cancel out equals 14. Then how do we find x from here? We divide by the coefficient of the unknown. So we divide everything by 7. Once we do it here, we have to do it here as well. This 7 will cancel this 7 out. And then we are left with x, which is one of the unknowns we want. And then this divided by this will give you 2. So right from here, we know that x from this equation is 2. We're going to use this value back in here to find what y is. Now, it doesn't matter which equation you put them in, you get the same answer. So let's put in the first one, okay? If x is 2, we put it back here. So we're going to have 2 into 2. Wherever we see x, we put 2. And then minus y equals 1. See? Now we multiply this together, we get 4. Minus y equals 1. What we do now is we move this to this side. We can move this here and then bring this number here, okay? We want this to be positive. So let's move this to this side. And then bring this to this side. When we do that, we're going to have 4. This is positive. When we bring it down, it becomes negative. Minus 1 equals, this is negative. When it moves over, it becomes positive. It becomes y. Therefore, we see that from here, we get y is now equal to 3. We can verify this by putting these values in any of this equation to see if it's right. If x is 2, 2 times this gives you 4, minus y is 3. 4 minus 3, you get 1. So these answers are right. This is how we do this equation. We're going to do a second equation in this algebra, looking for the values for x and y in here. When you look at these equations, nothing seems to be like the same, where you can add or subtract. But if we multiply this equation here by 2, and then multiply this equation by 3, we can see that we can eliminate the variable x. So I'm going to multiply this one by 2, and then multiply this by 3. When we multiply this by 2, you're going to have negative 6x plus 4y equals 22. And then we multiply this equation by 3. You get 6x plus 9y equals negative 9. Multiply everything by 2, multiply everything by 3 here. The idea is that we want these numbers to be the same but opposite each other. Then when we add, we can eliminate that one. So now we're going to add this equation. This will cancel this. So we're getting rid of one of them already. We add this together, we're going to have 13y equals, we subtract 22 and 9 from 22. 1, so you get 3 here, 1. See that? This is 13. So we get 13y equals to 13. Like I said, to get the value for y now, we divide everything by the coefficient. So we divide everything by 13. This 13 will cross out, you get y equals 1. Okay? Now we're going to use this value in any of this equation to find the value for x. So we use the first one again, you get minus 3x plus 2, y is 1, equals 11. Let's expand this. So we still have minus 3x plus 2 equals, we take this number, bring it down here. What we do is we subtract 2 from, so okay, let me bring it here so you can see better. Minus 3x plus 2 equal 11. We're going to add negative 2 to this equation here. Once we do that, we have to add negative 2 to this to make it equal, because this is equal to sign. So you have minus 3x minus 2 equals 11 minus 2. We see we're adding, we're subtracting 2 here, we're subtracting 2 here. Then this will cancel this. So you have this together give you negative, we subtract this, so you get negative 3x equals this, subtract from you get 9. And then you divide both sides by the coefficient, whatever is in front of the unknown. So minus 3 here, you divide this by minus 3, negative 3. You see that this will cancel this. That gives us what we're looking for, x. This subtract from, you divide this, you get negative 3. Therefore, x is negative 3. We find out what y was. Y was 1, we put it in here. That's how you solve the problem. So, if you have any comments, please put them in the comment section and like and subscribe to this video. We'll bring you more stuff each time. Until next time, take care. This is Bobby J.